These four n8n e-commerce AI agents are making me thousands. Last month, e-commerce businesses using these four AI agents were generating $8,000 in additional revenue. Not hypothetical money, not potential savings, real cash hitting bank accounts while they slept. Agent number one cuts product photography costs by 94% while tripling listing speed. Agent 2 slashes Facebook ad creative costs in half by stealing your competitors' best performers. Agent 3 generates dozens of influencer ads in under 5 minutes without mailing out a single product. And Agent 4 drives qualified leads on autopilot. Today, I'm breaking down exactly how each one works and why they're increasing profit margins for e-commerce owners. Let's get into it. Welcome back to the recap, where we build AI automations that actually make money. Today, I'm diving into the e-commerce space because here's the reality. If you're running an online store and still manually creating product photos, writing ad copy, coordinating influencer campaigns, or hunting for customers on social media, you're leaving thousands of dollars on the table every single month. These four agents fix that. They work 24/7, they scale infinitely, and most importantly, they're proven revenue drivers or cost savers that you can deploy this week. Let's start with one of the biggest money drains in e-commerce: product photography. Here's a stat that should terrify you. So the average e-commerce business spends between $2 to $5 grand per month on product photography. That's photo shoots, models, editors, studio time. It adds up fast. And here's the worst part: it's slow. You launch a new product and you're waiting weeks for professional shots to hit your listings. This agent eliminates all of that. Here's how it works. You snap a single iPhone photo of your product. It doesn't even have to be high quality. Then you upload it to this n8n workflow, and within seconds, you get back 8 to 10 catalog-ready product shots featuring an AI-generated model wearing or using your product in relevant settings. Here, I tested it with a pair of jeans. The agent generated an AI model that fit the product demographic, then used meta prompting to create 10 unique scene prompts: outdoor settings, urban backdrops, lifestyle shots. The output: professional product photography that would cost me, $300 per shoot at minimum. But here's where the real revenue impact comes in. It's speed to market. Think, every day a product isn't listed with professional photos, sales are being lost. This agent lets e-commerce sellers launch products the same day they receive inventory. And in one test case, capturing an extra week of sales during peak season generated $2,400 in revenue that would have been completely missed waiting for a photographer. And if you're selling on multiple platforms, Amazon, Shopify, Etsy, you need different shots for each. This agent generates variation on demand. No additional cost, no additional wait time. The ROI is absurd. If you're launching even 3 to 4 products per month, you're saving $10,000 annually on product photography alone, not to mention the revenue acceleration from faster launches. Now, I've just given you the overview, but if you want to build this exact agent step by step and start generating professional product photos today, I've got a complete deep dive tutorial for you. Just click the link appearing on screen right now to watch the full build and walkthrough. And here's the best part: you can download the complete n8n template that's powering this for free in our school community. No coding required, just import it, connect your APIs, and you're printing product photos. So professional product photos handled, but what good are beautiful listings if your ads suck? That brings us to agent number 2. And trust me, this one's a game changer for your ad spend. Agent number 2, the Facebook ad thief. Let's talk about the Facebook ad graveyard. You know what I'm talking about. Brands burn $500 testing ad creative and 90% of it performs like garbage. Click-through rates are terrible, cost per acquisition is sky high, and meanwhile, competitors are scaling profitably while others are bleeding cash. This agent fixes that by doing something brilliant. It steals the ads that are already working. Here's the strategy. Every single ad currently running on Facebook is publicly available in the Facebook ad library. That means you can see exactly what your competitors are spending money on right now. And if they're running an ad for weeks or months, well, that means it's working. They've already done the testing. They've already spent the money to figure out what converts. This agent scrapes those winning ads and rebuilds them with your brand and your products using Google's Nano Banana. I ran this against Athletic Greens for a test case with a hypothetical competitor product that I made up, Thrive Mix. Within minutes, the agent pulled every active AG1 ad, saved them to Google Drive, and used Nano Banana to recreate them with new branding. The output? 15 ad variations now with my branding on them that we know are currently converting because Athletic Greens is actively spending money on them. Now, the quality isn't always perfect. Sometimes you get weird text overlays or odd product placements, but even getting 60% usable ads is a massive win. Because here's the thing, you're not starting from zero. You're starting from validated creative that's already proven to convert in your exact niche. The full video tutorial walks you through the entire build. It shows how to scrape the ad library, how to structure the Gemini prompts for best results, and how to batch process competitor ads at scale. Click the on-screen link to watch the complete walkthrough and grab the free n8n template so you can start stealing your competitors' best ads today. All right, so we've got product photos locked in and we've got winning ad creative, but here's where it gets real interesting. What if you could generate unlimited influencer content without ever shipping out a product? That's agent number 3. And it's gonna blow your mind. Agent number 3, the infinite influencer ad generator. Influencer marketing is exploding. Why? Because user-generated content and influencer ads crush it on Facebook and TikTok. The algorithms prioritize authentic-looking content, and consumers trust influencers more than they trust brands. But here's the problem. Coordinating influencer campaigns is expensive and really slow. I've worked on hundreds of influencer campaigns for the businesses that I've built over the years, and they're such a pain. You've got to find influencers, negotiate rates, ship them products, wait for them to create content, review that content, go back and forth over email with revisions. The whole process takes weeks, and it costs hundreds or thousands of dollars per influencer. This agent makes all of that obsolete. Here's how it works. You take a single photo of each influencer you work with their approval, of course, and then you upload it to this n8n workflow along with a photo of your product. Then the agent uses these inputs to generate photorealistic ads of your influencers holding, using, or promoting your product. No photo shoot, no shipping, no coordination. Just infinite ad creative on demand. I tested this with a Stanley Cup campaign scenario, starting with photos of 4 influencers that are on our bench. I uploaded a picture of the new pink Stanley mug, and within 10 minutes, the agent generated 47 unique ad variations, different influencers, different settings, different poses. Every single one looked like a real product photo. Now let's talk money. A single influencer post typically costs between $200 to $2,000 depending on their following. So let's say you're working with micro influencers at $300 per post. To get 47 pieces of content the traditional way could cost you over 14 grand. This agent cost me $3 in API calls. But here's where the revenue multiplier comes in. Facebook and TikTok's algorithms reward creative variety. The more unique ads you test, the faster you find winners and the lower your cost per click becomes. This agent is hands down one of the most powerful tools in my e-commerce arsenal, and I want you to build it. The full video tutorial on our YouTube channel shows exactly how to set up Nano Banana, how to structure your influencer photo library for maximum output, and how to batch generate hundreds of ad variations in minutes. Click the link on screen to watch the complete step-by-step build and download the free n8n template from the School community to start creating infinite influencer ads today. All right, we've automated product photography, we've stolen winning ad creative, and we've unlocked infinite influencer content. But none of that matters if you don't have traffic. That's where agent number 4 comes in. Agent number 4, the social media lead generation agent. So here's the truth about e-commerce. Cold traffic is expensive. Facebook ads, Google ads, influencer posts, you're paying for every single click. But what if you could tap into a massive stream of free, highly qualified traffic that's actively looking for solutions? That's exactly what this agent does. It monitors Twitter 24/7 for people asking questions related to the products that you sell, evaluates which tweets are worth responding to, and automatically posts helpful replies that drive traffic. Here's the setup. The agent uses mention.com to track specific keywords across Twitter. Things like best diaper brand for X or looking for recommendations on Y. Every time someone tweets one of these keywords, it gets put into a Slack channel, and then the agent goes to work. First, it runs a series of filters to eliminate noise. No retweets, no tweets from your own account, no spam, etc. Then it uses an LLM to evaluate whether the tweet represents a genuine opportunity. Is this person actually asking for a product recommendation? Are they expressing a real need? If the tweet passes that evaluation, the agent drafts a helpful, non-spammy reply and posts it via the Twitter API. The reply subtly directs people toward relevant products or relevant landing pages. Now, here's why this works. You're not interrupting people with ads. You're showing up exactly when they're asking for help. That context makes replies 10x more valuable than a random paid ad. I've been testing this agent for 3 months, and the results are insane. It's posted 387 helpful replies, driven 109 qualified visitors, and generated 19 direct conversions. That's almost $3,000 in revenue from completely free traffic. But the real value is long-term. Every reply builds brand awareness. Every helpful response positions you as an expert in your niche, and over time, that compounds into a steady stream of organic traffic that costs nothing. If you want to tap this stream of free qualified traffic, you need to build this agent. The full tutorial walks you through setting up mention.com, connecting the Twitter API, structuring the AI evaluation prompts, and crafting replies that convert without being spammy. So click the on-screen link to watch the complete build tutorial and download the free n8n template from our school community to start generating free leads today. All right, so let's wrap up what we just covered. Agent 1, the AI product photo generator. Saves you 10 grand plus per year on photography and accelerates your product launches by 1 to 2 weeks, capturing revenue you'd otherwise miss. Agent number 2, the Facebook ad thief. It cuts your creative costs by $1,400 per month and reduces your cost per acquisition by 30%, giving you $3,000 plus more of effective ad spend monthly. Agent number 3, the infinite influencer ad generator. Replaces $14K in influencer costs with a few dollars of API calls and increases your ad testing volume by 5x, driving down acquisition costs and accelerating product launches. And Agent 4, the social media lead generation agent. It generates completely free, highly qualified traffic worth $200 to $400 per month in equivalent ad spend and builds long-term brand authority in your niche. When you add it all up, these 4 agents create a complete e-commerce automation system that's saving and generating tens of thousands of dollars per year. And here's the beautiful part. They all work together. Launch a new product with Agent 1, getting professional photos instantly. Steal competitors' best performing ad concepts with Agent 2 and combine them with influencer content from Agent 3. Then Agent 4 drives free traffic to those products 24/7. It's a complete system, and it runs 24/7 without you lifting a finger. Now, if you've made it this far, you're probably wondering, how do I actually build these agents? And that's why I've created complete step-by-step tutorials for each one. Every tutorial walks you through the entire build process. No steps skipped, no guesswork, just clear, actionable instructions that you can follow to deploy these agents in your own business this week. Click the links in the description below to watch each full tutorial. And here's the best part. You don't have to build these from scratch. Every single n8n template is available for free in our AI Automation Mastery School community. Just join the community, navigate to the n8n templates section, and download whichever agents you want to deploy. Then you can import them, connect your APIs, and you're up and running. But don't stop here. If you found this valuable, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. Seriously, do it. Because every single week, I'm releasing new AI automation builds that actually make you money and impact your businesses. And speaking of which, next week, I'm dropping something huge. I'm going to show you how to build a complete AI customer support agent that handles 80% of your customer service tickets automatically while actually increasing customer satisfaction scores. Now, I want to hear from you. Drop a comment below and let me know which of these 4 agents you're most excited to build. All right, I'm David Roberts. Thanks for watching the recap. Now go build something that makes you money, and I'll see you in the next video.